Good morning, sir. So I will be presenting the film that I've watched is about on the basis of sex. So here's the agenda of this presentation. First, we are talking about a plot summary of the film. And second, we are answering those questions in this presentation. So here's the plot and summary of the film titled On the Basis of Sex, directed by Mimi Leder. So the film follows Ruth Bader Ginsburg, a brilliant young lawyer who faces gender discrimination in both education and the workplace. Despite graduating top of her class at Harvard and Columbia Law School, she struggled to find a job because law firms refuse to hire women. Her life changes when she discovers a tax case that discriminates against a man because of gender. Ruth takes on the case, proving that the laws discriminating on the basis of sex are unconstitutional. This victory becomes the foundation of her lifelong fight for gender equality and women's rights. So, this summary shows that the main storyline of the movie, how Ruth's journey as a lawyer reflects her fight for equality and injustice. It focuses on her struggles and triumphs that made a huge impact on women's rights. Let's answer the first question. So, how were women depicted in the film? So, women were shown as intelligent, capable, and determined, yet constantly undervalued and underestimated by society. They were expected to stay at home or play supportive roles, while men dominated professional and legal spaces. Despite these barriers, the film portrays women as resilient fighters who challenge unfair traditions and strive for equality. And women face stereotypes and social limits, but it also emphasizes their strength and perseverance. It highlights the contrast between how women were treated and how they truly deserve to be recognized. So the second question is turning point of redemption for women's empowerment. So the turning point came when Ruth argued the Moritz v. Commissioner of Internal Revenue case in court. For the first time, she used the law itself to expose gender bias and prove the sex-based discrimination hurts both men and women. Her victory marked a historic step toward women's legal and social empowerment, showing that change was possible through courage and intellect. So, the story of where Ruth's hard work paid off, it was the moment when women's empowerment became visible through the legal victory, proving that the intelligence and persistence can bring real change. Next question, are the values, morals of the movie will still applicable today? Yes, absolutely. The movie's values equality, fairness, determination, and perseverance remain vital today. Although women have gained more rights and opportunities, gender inequality and workplace discrimination still exist. The film reminds us to continue fighting for justice and to stand up for what is right, no matter the obstacle is. The message of the films is very modern in this world. It explains that even if society has progressed, the same values, fairness, and equality are still important for everyone, especially women in today's generation. Next is the main challenges women faced in the film. First, discrimination in education. Few women were allowed into law school and they were treated as out of place. Second, employment barriers. Law firms refused to hire women's lawyers. Third, stereotyping. Women were expected to stay at home, raise children, and support their husband instead of having careers. Fourth, lack of legal recognition. Laws at that time favored men. and reinforces gender inequality. These are the specific struggles that women face in Ruth's time. It shows how women were limited by societal expectation and laws, giving context to why Ruth's fight for equality was so important. Next is how the main character represents gender issues. Ruth Bader Ginsburg embodies the struggle of women seeking equal opportunities and recognition. Her experiences reflect how society doubted women's competence and limited their potential. Through her intelligence, courage, and persistence, Ruth challenges systematic sexism and becomes a symbol of feminist advocacy and gender justice. This explains that Ruth herself represents all women who fight against unfair treatment. Her character is a symbol of bravery and change, showing how one person can challenge an entire system of inequality. Next is impacts promoted in the movie. The movie promotes the impact of legal reform, social awareness, and empowerment. It shows how one person's fight for justice can inspire broader societal change. It also emphasizes that equality benefits everyone, not just women. The film encourages viewers to challenge unfair norms and believe in the power of education and perseverance. This highlights the positive influence of the film. It shows that beyond telling a story, the movie inspires people to take action and believe in equality as shared value that improves society for all. Scene that provided a strong sense of empowerment. The most empowering scene is when Ruth delivers her final argument in court, confidently defending her case against seasoned male judges. Her powerful speech about equality and justice silenced the courtroom and marks her transformation from being dismissed as just a woman to being a respected voice for change. This scene captures the emotional and symbolic victory of the film. It's where Ruth's confidence and intelligence shine through, representing how women can stand strong even in male-dominated spaces. Next is situation of women in varied social institutions. So first, education. Women were rare in law schools and often treated as outsiders. Second is employment. They faced discrimination and were denied equal job opportunities. Third, family. Society expected women to prioritize domestic roles over careers. Fourth, law and government. The legal system reflected male dominance, with laws written and interpreted from a male perspective. These sections explains the different environments where women experience inequality. It shows that the discrimination wasn't just in one area. It existed in every part of society, from schools to workplace to government.